catering to about 2.7 million patients annually, the Federal Government Services Hospital, publicly known as PolyClinic, is one of the leading government hospitals in the twin cities of Islamabad and Rawalpindi. It has more than 1,700 staff members working in 20 specialties, whereby pediatrics is one of them. Recognizing its role as a socially responsible corporate entity, UPhone realized the need to revamp the entire pediatrics department at the Polyclinic to bring it at par with standards followed at any private medical center. UPhone undertook this project as a part of its Child Healthcare Initiative, in which a number of selected government, semi-government and private hospitals will be revamped across the country. Prior to this project, the entire pediatrics department, including the OPD, ward and the NICU, was signing out the need of improvement on various accounts. Despite endless services of medical and paramedical staff and optimum utilization of available provisions, the overall environment was reflective of limited resources. The ventilation conditions and isolation cabins were indicating room for further intervention and enhancement. Keeping the nature of pediatric ward prerequisites, the paint scheme of rooms, wards and corridors were required to be aligned with latest options and choices. To make it a more comfortable place for the guardians of admitted kids, the waiting area of NICU was in need of upgradation with ample seating arrangement. The OPD and its waiting area were also in need of enhanced seating capacity and comfort with better air conditioning and hygiene conditions. UPhone took up the challenge to improve these conditions. It aimed to create an atmosphere in the pediatrics department that was more lively, colorful and bright to mitigate the misery and pain of the young patients. Bridging the divide of haves and have-nots, a revamped pediatrician ward is in place at par with any high-end, facilitated pediatric setup in its literal sense. Let's have a few glimpses of self-evident measures to revamp the pediatric department of Polyclinic. The courtyard outside the OPD has been converted into a play area with benches on the sides for the parents. Air conditioning is provided for the OPD waiting area, the NICU waiting area, the ward and its corridors. The walls and the floors are also designed with colorful graphics to give a bright atmosphere to the whole place. Special attention has been paid to drainage systems, exhaust systems, isolation cabins, paintwork and flooring. New beds and accessories are provided for the wards and the rooms. The waiting areas in OPD and NICU now have a large seating capacity with newly installed linked chairs and sofa couches. A large plasma TV is also installed in the OPD waiting area. Special attention is given towards creating graphics with public service messages for children and their parents. Famous characters from popular cartoon series have been used to add color to the place and to keep the sick kids occupied. This initiative by UPhone will not only provide better conditions for the patients at the Polyclinic, but also help supervise and maintain these refurbished areas. Our team has worked diligently to bring a positive change to the whole place. It has converted the unit into a medical care center where children not only get treated by medicine, but also by warmth and a lot of affection. With this project, we just wish to set a precedence for other socially responsible entities to undertake similar projects. We hope that with more such projects, we shall be able to improve conditions in our country by helping those in need. Because at UPhone, it's all about you.